This video is about ways that you can put triangles into different categories. There are lots of different ways that we can look at triangles, but most of the time it's by looking at the angles that they have and the sides that they have. Okay, so one of the ways that you can categorize triangles is by the types of sides that they have. So an equilateral triangle has all three sides the same. Equi means equal and lateral means sides. An isosceles triangle has two sides that are the same, and a scalene triangle has no equal sides. Usually that's shown to you by marking that the three sides are not equal to each other. Another way to categorize triangles is by the angles that are inside them. So an acute triangle has three angles. All three angles are less than 90 degrees. A right triangle has one angle that equals 90 degrees, and that is usually shown by drawing this and putting a little 90-degree angle sign that shows you it's 90 degrees. And an obtuse triangle has one angle that's greater than 90. So let's look at some specific types of triangles. Is it possible to have a right equilateral triangle? So that would mean a triangle that has all sides the same and a right angle inside. Well, if you remember anything about right triangles from last year or the year before, right triangles always have to have a hypotenuse. And the hypotenuse is always the longest side. So that means that all three of the sides couldn't be the same. So that doesn't work. What about acute scalene triangle? Can you have an acute scalene triangle? So acute and scalene means that the angles are all less than 90 and the sides are all different. And yeah, that's very possible to have a acute scalene triangle. Kind of look like this. And they would all be different sizes. Obtuse isosceles, that would mean that one of the angles is greater than 90, and two of the sides are the same. Pretend those are the same. Okay, wonderful. So if you have any questions about that, let me know. This will help you do the next task.